I saw this online and of course, I had to get it. Come try the Brow Kit Ultimate Trio with me. I'm really excited to try this because I have no idea how to do my eyebrows. Also, I get my eyebrows microbladed because I don't grow hair past my arch, so I really hope that this works. I use the shade Taupe because I am blonde. Here's what the Brow Kit looks like. I'm very excited for this. All right. There are more goodies inside. We have the Brow Trio Waterproof Eyebrow Pomade. You got our little stencils. I'm so nervous, but so excited. And the sponge to apply it. Whoa, there's so many different stencils. Ooh, this is perfect. This is literally the exact color of my eyebrows. We're gonna dip the sponge into the pomade. Ooh. Okay, now we're going to apply it. I hope this works for someone who's not advanced in makeup. This is exciting. I feel like I need a little bit more. But I don't want my brows to be too crazy, you know? But I do hope it works. Okay, let's see the reveal. Are we ready? I know it doesn't look like a lot on camera, but in person, it looks so good. It looks so good, okay. I also want really natural brows, so this is perfect. What? Stop. Look at the difference between my two eyebrows. I don't even need microblading anymore. This solved all my problems. And it looks so natural. I'm doing this every day when I do my makeup because my brows look amazing. Not to hype myself up a little bit, but okay, I need to do the other side because wow. I love this because it typically takes me such a long time to trace my eyebrows, and this is so fast and easy. This is a game changer. Look at that, look at that. Brush it out a little bit. Why am I just finding out about this? Has everybody had a Brow Trio and not told me? You saw it here first. If you don't have one, don't walk to get one, run.